Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to get points easily in Microsoft Rewards for beginners. So first things first, you have to simply go to Microsoft Rewards and sign in to your Microsoft account. Make sure your account is eligible in your country. New members often get welcome bonus for completing the first set of activities. And then second is that you can just earn points by searching with Bing. Or let's just say if you go to your Microsoft Rewards and then if you want to log in using your Bing or if you want to log in using your Microsoft, you just have to click this one right here. Basically, if you want to use Bing as your default search engine, you can just do that. You can points per search or you can have points per search. So for desktop, up to 5 points per search. For mobile, up to 10 points per search. Daily search limits, example, 150 points a day for free accounts. And it's a tip like if you use Microsoft Edge, you can use that for extra bonus points. Now you need to complete daily sets and challenges. So basically, you can go to the Microsoft Rewards dashboard, go to daily sets, and then daily activities usually include short quizzes, polls, fun trivia. Completing this can earn 50 to 150 points daily depending on the activity. Now, take advantage of bonus offers. So, Microsoft often runs bonus points promotions like searching certain topics, shopping at Microsoft Store, completing streaks of searches or quizzes. You can check your dashboard daily for special offers. Now, you can use Xbox and Microsoft Edge for earning extra points. So you can link your Xbox account or you can earn your points from gaming activities. For example, playing certain games, completing Xbox challenges, using Microsoft Edge for browsing and searches can also earn or can stack extra points. So you can just redeem points smartly. You can go to your points and then redeem this. You will have your options there. So stay consistent. Daily searches plus completing daily sets, steady points. Use the mobile apps to get bonus points on the go. And then even 5 to 10 minutes per day can accumulate points over time. So basically, that's how to get points easily in Microsoft Rewards for beginners. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.